Hello everyone. In this video I'll be teaching you how to install pfSense, a router security simulation program. You can use this program to create a cybersecurity system. Normally, router security systems are very expensive. For example, Cisco routers have very strong security measures. If we want a similar system without spending money, we can use pfSense to simulate a router via VMware to access the internet. Alternatively, you can use an older computer to simulate a pfSense server router and use access points to distribute the internet signal, creating a security system before connecting to your ISP's internet service. For those of you who have been attacked through cybercrime and don't know how to protect yourselves, this video will definitely help. This particular video will teach you how to install the necessary software. First, you need to install VMware to emulate pfSense as a router. I won't go into VMware installation instructions, as it's easy and can be done in a few steps. Next, friends should download the ROM for the pfSense router by searching for pfSense 2.60 release. Go to the website archive.org and click to download the ISO image. Then, please wait a moment for the download to complete. Right-click and select New Visual Machine Wizard. Then click Browse and import the pfSense file. Click Next. Then name it pfSense Router. Once you've named it, click Next. Enter the operating system storage space required. pfSense uses very little, so 10 GB should be sufficient, and selecting multiple files will make the system work more stably. Then, click on Custom Hardware to add approximately 4 GB of RAM and increase the CPU performance from 1 core to 2 cores, 1 thread to thread. Then click the Add button to add the network adapter. Click on Network Adapter and then click the Finish button. Next, change Network Adapter 1 to Bridge mode. And for Network Adapter 2, select Custom and choose VNet8, Hosts Only. Then click Close and then click Finish. Then click the green Power on Visual Machine button. Wait for the program to run for a moment to access the IP address settings page. Once the IP address settings are complete, you can then configure the pfSense router settings. After completing the IP address configuration, the process becomes much easier. The difficult part is this step. Please listen carefully. Press Enter to accept. Press Enter again to install pfSense. Then, press the down arrow or the page down key and select the second option, Auto UFS BIOS. Then press the Enter key again and you will see that the program has begun installing. Then, wait a moment for the program to finish installing, and the IP settings will appear. Select No and press Enter. Then select Reboot and press Enter. Please wait for the program to run automatically. Pay close attention to the following steps, because IP address configuration is quite complicated and difficult. Please note the WAN and LAN settings. The LAN port may need its IP address changed because it might be conflicting with the main router. Press 1 to select Assign Interface to adjust the IP address. Press N and Enter to answer No. We will not be using VLAN. This step requires typing M0 to set the WAN to EM0 and pressing Enter. Then, type M1 to set the LAN to EM1. Then press Enter. Next, observe that the LAN and WAN interface slots match the numbers we set. Then, press Y and Enter to submit. Now we will set the IP address to configure the router via the web interface. Once this is done, configuring the web interface will be much easier. Press to for set interface IP address and then press Enter. Once you reach this page, press number 2. We will use the LAN port to access the router configuration page. Then, type the IP address 192.168.3.1 and press Enter. Next, select the subnet type. Type 24 and press Enter. An example will be displayed, 255.255.255.0. Press Enter twice to skip this step. Now, you'll be prompted to set up DHCP. Type Y and press Enter to configure DHCP. This is the starting DHCP IP address. Type 192.168.3.10 and press Enter. Then, enter it again, but this time it will be the final IP address for IP assignment, 192.168. to 3.100, then press enter. Now, press Y, and then enter to use the IP address we set up to access the pfSense backend router website. Then press enter to continue. Next, open the command prompt in Windows to ping the IP address we just configured. Type ping 192.168.3.1 and press enter. If you see your request timeout message, it means you cannot access the website yet. Let's reset the VMware network cards. Follow the instructions in this video. Disable and then enable both VMware network cards. Then check the ping and IP address again as before. Please note the WAN and LAN settings. The LAN port may need its IP address changed because it might be conflicting with the main router. Press 1 to select Assign Interface to adjust the IP address. Then, open Google Chrome and enter the IP address that you pinged earlier. Next, enter your username and password. The password will be admin or pfSense. Then, click Next until the process is complete. In the final step, the system will ask if you want to set a password. If you don't want to set a new password, you can click Next to skip this step. However, you can set a new password if you wish. Next, let's configure the DNS to make our system work. Go to System in the top bar. Click General Setup. Select Interface WAN. Enter DNS 8.8.8.8 and in the other field enter 8.8.4.4. Then scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Next, we'll check if our net adapter is being used as a FCN router. Go to the status bar at the top. After selecting the interface, this page will appear. Check to see if the WAN and LAN status has been updated. Next, we'll check the status in the gateway. Select Status, then select Gateway. If your gateway status is still showing petting, please edit it. Go to the top bar of the system and select Routing. Clicking on the pencil icon will open one slot. Scroll down and enter 8.8.8.8 as the monitor IP address. Click on Display Advanced, scroll down to the bottom and check the box next to Use Non-Local Gateway. Then press Save. To prevent IP address conflicts, go back to Status and select Gateway to check the online status of the gateway. You will see that both gateways are online, indicating that we can now use the internet through the pfSense router. That's all for now using the Sense router. In the next video, I'll teach you how to update the firewall and other security systems to make them even stronger and protect against all cyber threats. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.